DATAGE. This is Johanna. She's an environmental coordinator at the Danish Refugee Council, and she is responsible for creating environmental assessment reports for more than 10,000 projects that Danish Refugee Council works on. These reports are very important, as they are used by country officers in more than 40 countries to, for example, negotiate with local governments a placement of a refugee camp to make sure that the camp can sustain itself for several years. The problem Johanna is facing is the lack of quick access to quality data. In fact, she spends 2 months on creating one report, as she needs to Google all information separately, and there are more than 10,000 ongoing projects that rely on Johanna's insights. Our solution is a centralized platform that collects, analyzes, and visualizes open source data. And this is how it works. Johanna chooses a location for which she wants to generate the report, and all the data she needs are visualized in the dashboard. She can, in one click, generate a draft of a report with all graphs, which are automatically added to the report. This provides Johanna with quick access to the data, quick report creation, and data visualization. When Johanna picks the location, the platform sends a request to Amazon Web Service that then requests the relevant open source data through the API. Afterwards, the data is processed and modeled in AWS and returned to the platform. Right now, we have identified 4 available data sources for what is needed in the report and ran a test. For the test, we used publicly available machine learning algorithm to identify types of a landscape in an image based on open source satellite data. This data can help to make sure that there are enough forests in the area where a camp should be placed, which is one of the many examples. As the next steps, we need to identify open source data for all report elements that Johanna needs. We also need to develop the platform and set up the AWS cloud. Meanwhile, we would like to continue developing and training machine learning models one by one for available data sources. The next one would be using satellite data to identify soil erosion and water resource depletion. And here's the team: Bhargav and Martina from DTU and Pankaj from CBS. Thank you very much.